You have seen new features. What is first one? Result set enhancements. Second one, batch updates. Third one, advanced data types. That is blob and clob. Fourth one, row sets. Okay. See, result set enhancements, batch updates, advanced data types, row sets. These are new features. These are not introduced in 1.0, later introduced. First one, result set enhancements. You have seen. These are divided into two categories. First one, result set types. How many result set types are there? 3. What is first one? Type forward only. Next one, type scroll sensitive. Type scroll sensitive. Third one, type scroll insensitive. Second one, concurrency types you have seen. Concurrency types. How many types are there? 2 types. What is first one? Concur, read only. Concur, read only. Second one, concur updatable. Okay. See, result set enhancements. First one, result set types. Second one, concurrency types. 3 types of result sets, 2 types of concurrency control. By using this feature, we can perform 4 operations. First one, moving a cursor. Unscrollable result set. Second one, updating records with methods. Third one, inserting records with methods. Fourth one, deleting records with methods. In this, first one completed. Now, updating records with methods you are learning. Updating records with methods, list of methods also are given. Just only program I would explain. Diagram also explain. So now, example you will see. Here, updating records with methods. That example you are going to see. Already this heading you written, the diagram you written, methods you written. Now program only left. The program I'll explain. First I'll open SQL prompt. Connect system manager. Select star from student. Now, so nine records are there. 9 records are there. Here I want to update. Suppose roll number 8. Roll number 8 marks 45 is there. Okay, I want to make it as 50. Roll number 8 marks 45. I want to make it as 50. How to write? You observe. Suppose update demo. In this program, first connection establishment is same. See, up to here same. So this is connection establishment. Up to here same. Online student, turn off your videos. Every 1 minute, 2 minutes, one video playing. See, connection establishment. Loading a JDBC driver and establishing connection. After this, I want to insert a record. I want to update a record. I want to update record with Java methods. But first of all, you have to get a result set. Yesterday one diagram I given. Okay, yesterday one diagram I given. First you have to update result set. Next you have to update database. First of all, statement record. For getting statement, what we written yesterday? Statement stmt equal to connection reference dot create statement. But here, two parameters we passed. Result set type, concurrency type. Result set type, result set dot type scroll sensitive or type scroll insensitive. After this, result set dot conquer updatable or conquer read only. Anyone. Okay. Now, this is statement created. See, these two compulsory you have to pass. Then only you can access 2.0 library for result set. If you are performing operation on result set, these two compulsory. If you don't pass these two parameters, by default, which result set will be there? Forward only. It doesn't support other methods. Okay, that is the reason these two you have to pass. After this, for getting result set RSC equal to stmt dot execute query. Execute query, we have to write SQL query. Select star from student. Okay, after this, what we have to do is observe. First of all, my task is I want to update roll number 845. But here it is not possible with roll number based on roll number. It is row number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. Now we have to move the cursor to 7th record. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How to move the cursor to 7th record? RS dot absolute 7. Then cursor move to 7th record. Now, yesterday I given methods. Okay, to update. Now we are updating marks. Cursor is here now. This column number is 3. My column number is 3. This marks which type? Integer type. Which method you have to call? RS dot update int. Column number 3. Marks 50. Let us marks. Okay. After this, when you update like this, only column updated in result set, but it is not updated in database. What we have to write? Update RS dot update row. Then record updated in database. Okay. Now you observe. After that, on message, system.out.println. One record updated successfully. Right click, run as Java application. Okay. Here we are getting one error. What we are getting? See, invalid operation for read-only result set. This is, if you write a star here, this total record as a one unit comes. This total record as a one unit comes. In that unit, this part I want to update. That is not possible. Then what we have to do is, this is you have to divide like a 3 parts. Roll number separate, name separate, mark separate. Then we can update. That is specification rule. That's what here we should not write star. We have to write roll number, comma, name, comma, marks. Like this only you have to write. That is specification rule. Okay. If you write like this, now this program will run. See. Run as Java application. Okay. See, one record updated successfully. That is specification rule. Now you can check here. Now you can check here. See, roll number 8. Present marks 50. Previously 45. Updated now? Here. In this program, any update query is there? In this program, any update query is there? No. With the Java methods updated. That is the concept. So, what you do is, write this program. Example. Already heading you written. No need to write heading. Just example, write it. After that, program. Instead of writing individual import, star. Write example. So here statement created, here result set generated, that result set type is sensitive, concurrently updatable. Any number of people at a time can update. Cursor moved to 7th record, updated 3rd column 50, then result set updated. Whenever update row called, database updated. Now 1 column also you can update, 3 columns also you can update, 2 columns also you can update. Now present I updated only column marks. You can update 2-3 columns at a time also. At last you need to call update row. Then database updated. Otherwise only result set updated. Result set is stored in RAM temporarily. Table is stored in database hard disk permanently. Okay. So if you don't write this one, in a RAM updated, in a hard disk not updated. If you don't write this one. Okay. First operation is done in RAM only. Later it is going to be stored in a hard disk. Like that. This is updating. Is it over? Next concept, inserting records with methods. No done. Inserting records with methods. Inserting records with methods. Inserting records with methods. See how to insert, you observe. Oracle database, Java application, Here, same. One SQL query will send, select star from student, you'll get it, records. SQL request. SQL response. Student table. Just 2 records I'll write. Only 2 records I'll write. Roll number, name, marks. Like roll number 1, suppose name of the student. Marks. Now marks like this. Year. Year result set. Roll number, name, marks. This is the result set. RS. Year, roll number 1, AAA, 88. Roll number 2, BBB, 72. Now, the column number 1, it is 2, it is 3. Now here, if you want to insert record, before first record insert, after first record insert, like that we cannot specify. It is not possible to store year insert, like that, not possible. That's what one method is there. Move to insert row. One method is there. Here, result set, that method I'll write here. Okay, I'll write here. Again, I'll write there also. RS dot move to insert row. One method is there. Okay, it is not visible to all. That's what I'll write here. RS dot move to insert row. One method is there. What this method will do is, wherever space is there it will move. RS dot move to insert row. Like this are written here. RS dot move to insert row. Cursor is before first record. Wherever table space is there inserted. So that maybe cursor before first record, or between first and second record, or maybe last. We cannot predict. Assume cursor is moved to here. After this, here memory allocated. You have to update with update methods. RS dot update int roll number 3. Column number 1, roll number 3. RS dot update string, column number 2, name of the student, CCC. RS dot update int, column number 3, marks. If I write, that is I am writing here, that is not visible to last. That's what I am writing again here. RS dot update int 1, 3. RS dot update string 2, CCC. rs dot update int 3 comma 99. Now, like this, if you write, what will happen? Column number 1, 3 inserted. Now, here 3 inserted. Column number 2, triple C inserted. Column number 3, 99 inserted. Okay. Now, at last, insert row method is there. Insert row. rs dot insert row. Then record inserted in database. So, at last, you have to call rs dot insert row. After this line, rs dot insert row you have to call. Then this record inserted here. Just you observe. First of all, this method rs dot move to insert row. rs dot move to insert row means wherever space is there, it will move. There, memory allocated. Update into column number 1, 3. Column number 1, 3. Update string column number 2, triple C. In 2 place triple C. Update into column number 3, 99. Like this, with these 3 methods, result set, in a result set record inserted. But at last, insert row method if you call, then it is inserted in database. Like this you are going to see. Write this diagram. With the Java methods only we are inserting. First results in a result set inserted, later database inserted. Is it over? See, first of all, through Java application, we'll send one SQL query, select a star from student. Then this total data as a result set object comes. After getting result set object, move to insert row if we call. Cursor move to insert a record in a result set and allocates the memory. After that, with update methods only, values are inserted in result set. With insert row method, it is inserted in database. So compulsory at last this line you ought to write. This line compulsory you ought to write at last. Then only inserted in database. With these three methods only result set updated. Is it over? See. Note down. Move to insert row. Method moves the cursor to insert a record. In a result set and allocates the memory. Move to insert row method. Online students, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Move to insert row method, moves the cursor to insert a record in a result set and allocates the memory. Update methods are used to insert and update data in a result set. Insert row method used to insert a record in a database. Insert row method used to insert a record in a database. Is it over? Move to insert row method, moves the cursor to insert a record in a result set and allocates the memory. Update methods are used to insert and update data in a result set. Previous program, update only I used, but updation purpose I used. But in this program, inserting purpose I am using. Insert row means database inserted. Say. So about this program only, I'll do changes here. See, after this, this is common, up to here common. Now, first we have to move the cursor to insert a record in a result set. What we have to write? rs dot move to insert row. After this, rs dot update int column number 1. Here already up to 11 is there. I'll insert 12. Roll number 12. rs dot update string to something triple L. rs dot update int column number 3 marks. Now rs dot insert row message. One record inserted successfully. Now see, if I run this program, right click, run as Java application. See, one record inserted successfully. Now roll number 12 not there. See, roll number 12 not there. See, roll number 12. Okay. This complete program no need to write. Only this part write it enough. Connection establishment is all same. Only this part write it enough. Example. Write this part. It's enough. The remaining connection code every day is same. Is it over? Say your statement created, your result set generated. Which result set? Sensitive result set. On that, concurrently updation possible. Cursor move to insert a record. Wherever space is there it is moved and memory allocated. In that memory, values are inserted. With that record inserted in database. Okay. Still, one more concept is there. 4 operations, no? Last one, deleting records with methods. Fourth one, deleting records with methods. Deleting records with methods. Deleting records with methods. It is also almost the same. You observe. What you can do here, you can remove these all. First, which record you want to delete, you can decide. Suppose this roll number 11 I want to delete. Now, first of all, we have to move the cursor to roll number 11. What we have to write? Absolute 4. So you can write rs dot absolute 4. Cursor come to roll number 11. After that, rs dot delete row. That's it. That record deleted. Over. Okay. See. Right click. Run as Java application. Okay. See, one record deleted successfully. Now roll number 11 deleted. Total 10 records. Now 9 records will be there. Say 9 records. 11 deleted. Okay. But actually, as compared to these all, SQL queries are better. Because fourth record, what is there means you have to see the database also. But roll number 11, if you want to delete, directly you can write select like a delete from student where roll number equal to 11. That SQL queries are better. With this enhancements feature, only insert or delete, update. These 3 operations possible. That's what remaining part purpose SQL required. So if everything is possible with Java, then it will be useful. But anyhow, you are depending on SQL. Then instead of this one, SQL is better. Okay. That's what. This is not important. Result set enhancements not important. Now, what you do is this complete code no need to write. Only this part enough. Example. Directly example node. Remaining connection establishment code is same. Whichever record you want to delete, move the cursor that place delete row. That's it. Deleted. How many types of result set is there? How many types? 3 types. What are those? Type forward only, type scroll sensitive, type scroll insensitive. Type forward only. Will it support absolute method? No. Sensitive? Yes. Insensitive? Here it is sensitive. It supports. Suppose if type forward only is there, this will not work, even this will not work. That's what these 2 parameters compulsory you have to pass. Okay. So with result set enhancements feature only, we can perform these operations. Okay. So for that, compulsory sensitive or insensitive required. Then only this program will run. That's what the 2 parameters compulsory you have to pass. If you don't pass, which type of result set? Type forward only. If you don't pass. Okay. Total new features are 4 features. First feature completed. Now second feature, batch updates. Batch updates. Now this feature allows to execute. This feature allows to execute more than one SQL query at a time. This feature allows to execute more than one SQL query at a time. This feature allows to execute more than one SQL query at a time. This feature allows to execute more than one SQL query at a time. It is also called as batch processing. It is also called as batch processing. It is also called as batch processing. So more than one SQL query at a time we can run with batch processing, with the batch updates feature. Now see, here 2 methods are there in a statement interface. See, after JDBC, programming style completely it is going to be changed. Complete new environment appears. Up to JDBC same like a core Java. See, this topic almost core Java style only appears. But next topic, Solets. After Rosets, we'll see Solets. That is complete new environment. Internet applications you can build. So real-time Java starts. Real-time Java. After this topic, real-time Java starts. That is, you should be very regular. You should follow my rules and guidelines to understand. Okay. That a complete new environment appears. And lots of practice required. Because already you have seen. Same programs also not running. Installation problem or version compatibility problem. Next what will happen? Server also you have to install. Tomcat server. Browser also you have to update. Browser server also added. Already Java, Eclipse, Oracle. 3 softwares. Now 2 more softwares. Browser and server. That will be included. Okay. And HTML file also added. XML file also added. These all will be included in one program. That is next topic. Okay. At the time, you should be very regular. You should follow. Okay. Now, here, batch updates. More than one SQL query we can execute. So add batch, a clear batch, execute batch. These 2 methods enough. Right, Isam? It is SQL query. Add batch, execute batch. One SQL query you can add. So add batch, one SQL query you have to pass. Execute batch, all executed. Say, add batch, you can write query. Again add batch, you can write query. Again add batch, you can write query. Like this, n number of add batches you can call. At last, execute batch if you call, all queries at a time executed. First query result, second query result, third query result, all results as a array returns. If required, use. Not required, you can omit. This return type. If required, you can use. If not required, you can omit. Say, method is returning. This method is returning, but I am not receiving. It is valid. But method is not returning. It is not returning, no? If you are trying to receive, error comes. Not returning means you should not write. But returning means whether you write or not, valid. Suppose example, every day we are writing for name method. For name method returns, no? But I didn't write return type. Return type also class. That is I didn't write. That is I didn't write. Okay? That is valid. It is not written. It is returning, but I am not receiving. Valid. Here, add batch. It is in statement interface. With the statement reference you have to call. Say, for example, Here only. Now, this is normal connection establishment. After establishing connection, now statement. Now statement STMT equal to connection reference dot create statement. Now we are not performing operation on result set. That's what here no need to pass, because it can be any result set. First we are not creating result set. Now this is batch processing example. We are adding SQL query to batch. All at a time we are executing. That is the concept. So what you can do is with that STMT dot add batch. You can write one SQL query, whatever you want. Again STMT dot add batch. You can write SQL query. Again STMT dot add batch. SQL query. Like this you can write n number of. At last STMT dot execute batch. Like this. Here n number of queries you can write. At last execute batch. Now you observe add batch, add batch, add batch. N number of you can write. At last execute batch. Now suppose already 9 records are there. Okay, 9 records. Now I want to insert one more record. Roll number 13 I want to insert. Right. Insert into student values 13. Okay. Inserting record. Insert query written. Suppose I want to update record. Suppose roll number 8, 50 marks are there. I want to make it 60. Update. What we have to write update query? Update student set marks equal to 60, where roll number equal to 8. I want to delete one record. Suppose I want to delete roll number 10. What we have to write? Delete from student, where roll number equal to 10. Now this is a query added to batch. This is a query added to batch. This is a query added to batch. Here batch at a time executed. Batch at a time executed. Okay. Now 3 queries at a time passed to server database and executed. See. Now I didn't give any output, but you can check it in database side. Now one record inserted, one record updated, one record deleted. Now you observe roll number 13 inserted, roll number 10 deleted, roll number 8 updated. See, roll number 8 50 marks. Here roll number 8 60 marks. Here roll number 10. Here roll number 10 not there, deleted. Roll number 13 not there, inserted. 3 at a time passed, done. Okay. This is batch updates example. Connection establishment everyday same, only this part write it enough. Example. Is it over? Next, advanced data types. Advanced data types. Okay, advanced data types. First one, blob. Second one, glob. Advanced data types. First one, blob. Second one, glob. These data types are Oracle side, blob and glob. First one, blob. Blob stands for binary large object. It is used to store or retrieve large amount of binary data as a single entity in or from database. Blob stands for binary large object. Blob stands for binary large object. It is used to store or retrieve large amount of binary data as a single entity in or from database. Instead of giving 2 lines, 1 line I given. It is used to store large amount of binary data as a single entity in database, or it is used to retrieve large amount of data, binary data as a single entity from database. So instead of 2 lines, 1 line I given. Say blob binary large object, glob character large object. Now in core Java you studied Java streams. 2 types of streams are there: byte streams, character streams. What's the difference? Byte streams, character streams. 2 types of streams are there. What's the difference? Core Java class you studied byte streams, character stream. 2 types of streams are there. What's the difference? Byte to byte it will send, character will send. That is only right only, but that is nothing. That difference I am not asking. Byte stream, byte will send. Character stream, character will send. Any other difference? What is it? What is it? Byte stream, character stream, difference I am asking. Online students, 5 members given, right or wrong, we'll see. What is your answer? No answer. The topic is not completed. Give me answer. Multimedia, text, graphics also supports. Byte stream supports text, image, graphics, animation, audio, video, everything. But character stream? Only text. Here also like that only. Blob supports text, image, graphics, animation, audio, video, dash, etc. Blob supports say byte 1 byte, character 2 bytes. That is memory size. Now, blob supports text, image, graphics, animation, audio, video, everything. Blob mapped into java.sql.blob interface in Java. In a Oracle number, but in Java integer. In a Oracle varchar, in Java string, but in Oracle blob, in a Java blob interface. Second one, CLOB. CLOB stands for character large object. It is used to store or retrieve large amount of character data. As a single entity in or from database. CLOB supports text only. CLOB mapped into java.sql.clob interface in Java. So blob and CLOB are data types in Oracle. While mapping, blob interface, CLOB interface required in Java. While mapping. Blob stands for binary large object. CLOB stands for character large object. See, if large amount of data is there, in that situation we'll go for blob and CLOB. Suppose one video file if you want to store in database, or one audio file if you want to store in database, or one graphics image if you want to store in database, then this concept required. Suppose your resume if you want to store in database, this concept required. Okay? How to use this concept, we'll see in tomorrow class.